Hello, all dear friends. Again, welcome back to Online Kids Education SP. 3 English Good Thoughts for School Assembly. Kill tension before tension kill you. Kill tension before tension kills you. Reach your goal before goal kicks you. Reach your goal before goal kicks you. Live life before life leaves you. Live life before life leaves you.